Welcome to Godwin Tech. In today's teaching, we are going to learn something new on Microsoft Exchange Online. And what I'm going to cover in this teaching is how to create mailboxes in Microsoft 365 Exchange Online. Okay, so without taking much time, let's get started. First, open your browser, because for you to access Exchange Online, you need to do that through your web browser. So I'm using Chrome in this station. So I'll click on my Chrome, open it. Alright, the next step is to access the Microsoft Exchange portal. And the address is admin. Okay, it's here. Admin dot exchange .microsoft.com. You can see that because I'll be accessing it. So the system has already suggested it to me. After that, I hit the enter button of my PC for it to open. Okay, I'm logged in automatically because I have saved my Exchange details on this browser. So based on your own case, once you want to log in, once you visit this link, admin.exchange.microsoft.com, you may be required to log in with your Exchange email address and the password. Okay? Alright, now we want to create mailboxes. And the fact is, we cannot create mailboxes via this Exchange platform. Alright, so we can only create mailboxes through Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So I will scroll down to this tab, main tab section, and click on Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay, so this will automatically open the Admin Center of Microsoft 365, whereby we create user. So any user we create is being assigned a mailbox, that is an email address on that organization. Okay, so here we are. Then the next step you need to take is to click on add user. So this will open a form that will allow us to fill the details of the user. Okay, which name do I use here? Okay, let's say the first name of the user is Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin. Last name is Real. Okay, for username, for sign in, once I click inside there, the system may assign it automatically. Okay, it is assigning. So I will type Kelvin Real. Let me use the two names. Okay, Kelvin Real. The combination of the two names that makes up the person, the user. Then at this one is selected automatically, and that's at godwintech.microsoft.com. That is the name of my domain. Okay, the name of the organizational domain. So every name created here has this organizational domain assigned to it. Okay, so I scroll down. Here it said up to 5 users separated by semicolon. This is the admin email address. Okay, but let's say for example I want to email this detail to the new admin I'm creating, actually to the new user I'm creating, who will be assigned a new mailbox. So I will introduce semicolon. So 5x semicolon is on your keyboard. Then let's say the email address is what will I type now? Maybe the person is using Gmail. before now. So let's say the Michael or later the Michael 2013 at gmail.com. Why I'm introducing or adding this Gmail of the user is that so that he can get the details about this the created user in his email. From there, he can then log in to Outlook and make the changes he wants. Okay, so I'll click on add user. So now this is the username kevinreal@godwin on microsoft.com. So this is the password of this new user I'm just creating. So as an administrator, I may choose to download this user detail on my laptop, so I can click on download button for it to be downloaded. Okay, so we are done creating this user, and for the fact that we are done creating this user, automatically a mailbox will be created for him on the Exchange Admin Center. Okay, so see the name here, the user's name here. That's a Kevin Royal, which we just created now. So let's go back to our Exchange Admin Center. So I'll click on that spot. Then I will click on recipients. Okay, mailboxes, and there I will refresh this page so that you can see the Kelvin array we just created now has been assigned an email address, which we can call user mailbox. You get the point? So for you to create a mailbox for a user in Exchange Admin Center, you need to do that via the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Hope that is understood. First, you visit the Microsoft 365 Admin Center by clicking on this tab. Then fill the details about the user. Once the user is created or added, the email details will appear here, which is the user mailbox. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment, as that will help to grow my channel. It is important to me. Thank you, and see you next time.